Hello, am I clear to you? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are clear to me. You are audible to me. Means, I will be able to hear you completely. Yes.
Okay, so I think because of network issues, I couldn't get your link.
Yes.
So, yeah, shall we start?
Oh, you are able to get my link. Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. Tell me, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Yes, I'm also fine like you.
Okay, so it's been very long time since we are not met, right? So I think 3 months
Yes, yes.
or 4 months back we have a convo, right? Do you remember me?
Yes, really, really. Yes.
How was your day been so far?
Yes. So far, my day is good. You can consider everything is fine in my side. Tell me, how is everything going on in your side? Tell me. Because after a long time we are meeting, I want to know this from you.
It's been really hectic. Why? Because I have some sessions and also I have some work, so I'm a little bit tired.
I
I
want to ask about your work. Like, what do you do?
Okay, so I completed my graduation. I am preparing for my interviews to get a job.
Oh, you are preparing for the interviews, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
did you ever give any interview in English so far or not? Like interview, did you give or not so far?
Yeah,
Any interview? One.
yeah, I gave a lot of interviews and I even selected, but I thought that I want to go some
Yes.
good companies. So that's why I'm
Yeah.
waiting.
So you told that you have given many interviews. So can you tell me how was your experience while giving interview? Were you getting hesitation? In which language were you giving? Like English or in other language?
I gave in English only.
Oh, you
This
gave in English?
conversational
Okay, okay.
I have a lot of experience, right? Through this through conversational
Yes,
videos, and I have confidence. I can explain very clearly because I practice my English and I have a boldness to speak in front of anybody else. So I think it would be very useful, especially this YouTube channel. Why? Because I get off my comfort zone and I talk to every strangers. So these are all very helpful for me when it comes to an interview.
yes. In future, like after some years, so what types of interviews you want to give? Like IS interview, like hard interview, you want to give or not? That
Okay.
kinds of interview, if you have to give. So will you be able to give or not? Tell
Of
me your
course.
experience. How will your experience for that be?
I definitely gave for the interview because that is a good
Oh,
opportunity, right? But I definitely have that hope and
yes.
confidence in me. And whatever in my brain, I definitely convince. And also, I definitely express myself. That is what I feel. So, what about
Yes, it's
you?
really, really, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. I'm also the same. When like if I will get chance to give interview for ISO for becoming. So really, I will prepare. Like first of all, preparation is important, right? You have to
Yeah.
prepare, then you will be able to give interview, right? So
Okay.
before giving the interview of IS, we have to prepare. So I will prepare, and I think now I became confident person, so I can speak. And even I am a student of 10th class, still I'm teaching students. So that's why I can say that I can give interview easily. Even I got many experiences by teaching students, while speaking English in the class like that while teaching tenses or other thing like that. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, I mean, you completed your intermediate, am I right? Or you doing graduation?
No, no, no. I'm very young person. Yes, young boy you can consider, but I look like
No, 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 no. I'm not talking
older. I
about your
think then.
look.
Yes.
I forgot actually.
Oh,
So what you're studying? That's why I'm asking.
oh. I'm in 10th class. Actually, like in 2026 year, I will give the exam of 10th class board exam. Yes, I will give. Then I
Okay.
will go for college.
Okay. Which group you want to go?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm interested around I think around in all subjects, as many subjects are available in our class. But if I talk about like subject in which I am mostly interested, I'm not interested mostly in BA science, like what will say, like math, science,
Okay.
mostly I don't know. Yes.
Okay. So
But
are
I
you
know,
interested in
you know,
math?
I can, yes.
Are you interested in maths?
Yeah, yes, it's math also.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
interested in math, but you know, I can't get marks that much as much I get. Like I get in English, you know, I can get in English, I think 19, above 19 I can get, you know, in English, but in math, not that much. But I can pass, you know, I can pass math subject also, but not more. Like as I get in English, you know, I can get in English above 19, I think, marks
Okay.
I will get. Yes,
Okay. So may I know how was
that's
your
why.
YouTube channel?
Almost my YouTube channel is good, has been good for a long time, you know, actually, because nowadays little bit due to works, you know, because I come from the village area, and you know, the people of village nowadays they cut the paddy or they work in the field, they take paddy, they cut the paddy like that types of work they have to do, like they are have to do. You know, I'm also doing the same work nowadays. Especially in holidays time, you know, mostly while whenever you know I will go to school, you know, that time I will not do. I will you know do studying related work, but in holidays time I will work that with my family in the
Okay,
field.
okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I saw your vlogs as
Like
well. I think recently I saw your vlog. So with your family, with
yes,
your mother, sister, and father. Am I right?
I have uploaded many videos
Yes,
regarding,
yes, yes,
you
I
know,
saw.
like in the field I have recorded and I uploaded, you know, even I talk about how to improve English, how to become fluent in English, everything in the field area. In the beginning time mostly, but now again I'm going to start, you know, because now before some days I was having to find difficulties, means, you know, I was unable to walk while talking with people in the field because of paddy, you know. But now the paddy is like paddy is being harvested like the curd, you know, actually. So
Yeah.
that's why I can walk easily. I can go anywhere and saw them like trees and whatever can be there, you know, trees and nature, beautiful things like that. And trees
Okay.
as well, yes.
And
Everything I
you,
can saw them. Now after some days.
yeah, how
Yes.
many subscribers do you have?
If I talk about my subscribers, I have I think 69,000 subscribers. Nowadays, I think what happened to you know everyone's channel, those who are English channel, I think those who are English channel, I think their channel are going same. You know, I think you can consider like some people are unable to get like they don't get views well in good way. Even you can check the Hathi Madam channel also same, right? What happened to their channel and my channel also? I don't know nowadays. Those who are like all the YouTuber little bit, but new YouTuber they are getting good like views and views like that, because I
Okay.
think due to some problems maybe, or what will say, algorithm of YouTube keeps changing.
In 69 subscribers, that is a good number, right? So you got a lot of subscribers
Yes, it's
and
really 9,000 subscribers. So I'm very happy even. And you know, I think this much subscribers, you know, getting this much subscribers is very hard. I think in this time, especially in this time, you know, it is quite hard to get. Even people within 1 year also, like they are unable to get 1,000. You can consider. Yes,
may I know
I
when
had
you
started
started?
in, you know, in 2023, like on October 15 October. Yes,
Okay.
2023 I had started.
It's been
Yes,
two years.
like that.
Okay.
Really, really, yes.
If we cannot get views, so sometimes we feel like very low, but it's okay. So day by day we can improve ourselves.
No, actually, in the beginning time, you know, I was not thinking about getting subscribers or earning money from YouTube. When I had
Okay.
created a YouTube channel, you know, I was thinking about improvement of the spoken English. Even I have that time, you know, I had seen many people on YouTube, like they were also running English channel. Even they were not thinking about getting subscribers or views. They were like they were thinking that time, you know, if I will upload video on YouTube, so I can see my progress, right? I
Okay.
can record my
So what
progress, like I can show them, yes, like that.
may I know? So what is your first salary and through YouTube? How much you get it? Okay, your first salary
Actually, I had
from
no any
YouTube.
account. Yes, yes.
Okay, that's
Actually, I had no any
okay.
account to you know add on YouTube. You know, YouTube channel. That's why you know it took time. So that's why you know lots of money
Okay.
were in like in my account. So I got that much fast payment. That much, you know. I gave my parents. You know, like I gave to my parents. They took like you know they bought lots of things. Even you know I bought bike as well now.
Every day.
Many things.
That is the
Many
best
things
moment,
except
right? So
yes,
what do you buy for your parents when you
really,
get
really.
money from YouTube?
past time, many things, not only for my parents, even for my village people, for gift like that, actually they were actually many students, from my area, like from my village. Yes, they say, Jadu, you are viral, you are getting money from YouTube, you are not giving us gift. Even in the class, the students were demanding for that, and so I gave them. Yes, I gave
Okay.
them like that. So I bought what they wanted, like for eating like that. So I gave, in the class also, also in my village, when I bought a bike, also that time, I gave lots of children, like I called, they came, and we enjoyed like that.
Okay, that's
Also, my
amazing.
father was with me, my father was also with me that time. Even my mother, I think you have seen that vlog video. I have record, I had recorded and I had uploaded. Yes. So I think
Okay.
now that is still available on my channel. You can see that, on my channel. Yes.
Okay. So I mean, so do you upload my video in your YouTube channel?
Yes. Yes. And before, I think we connected one time, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But I
Yes.
didn't see
I
it, so
think,
that's
yes.
why I'm asking to you.
Yes. Actually, I saw your channel. Yes. Yesterday, I was watching your channel. I think some videos of your channel I have watched. So when I went in your description of your channel, then I got your Gmail ID. And when I saw your video, even I think you have uploaded some short video also. So then I recognized you that this
Okay.
girl, I think, took session with me already. Like that, I was thinking.
But
So
on
then
that
I
time, I
recognized
won't
you
say to
and
you.
decided I should connect again like that.
Okay, okay. I thought
Oh,
that that
that's
is
why I
not
think maybe.
you.
That's why I recognize you.
Yeah, you sent a
Oh,
mail
yes.
to me.
But I think you know me.
Yeah, I
Yes,
know.
yes,
Well, actually,
yes.
I just remember your face and also your name.
Yes.
But when it comes to mail, your name is completely different, right? So then I search about it, and at the last I can saw Jadu, so I can mail to you, right? He's the person I talked with him
Yes.
for a
Some
very long
people
time.
say that.
Do you have a younger sister
Yes.
or elder sister?
Yes, yes, I have, younger sister, not elder. Yes.
Okay,
Younger
so I
sister,
saw
yes.
one of your vlog. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Actually, she went to another village, Yes. Sometime like she help me to come on live, Yes. So also for making video, talking with people like that, and we make. She's also learning spoken English, my sister, So really, yes. Recently, she started the journey of speaking English.
I mean, she's also started
Yes.
making vlogs with you.
Yes. Sometimes like says to me like, Jadu, please take me, brother, take me like that. Brother, take me, please make like we will make vlogging video like that. While cutting the paddy. So surely after some days, I think we will bring paddy cutting related video. Yes. Now I think we didn't start cutting the paddy. So also for like blogging of paddy field, I will make and I will upload on YouTube so that people will be able to see like how is Jharkhand, like the people of Jharkhand, right? Like how do they cut the paddy, or how many people like that, so they can get to see.
Okay, that's amazing. Sounds great. It was nice talking with you, Jadu, and we will definitely connect some other time. Whenever you get a free time, you just mail to me, so we will connect.
Okay. Here, because now I recognize you, even yes, we can connect anytime, even I know your channel also, and I will subscribe. I think forgot to subscribe. I will subscribe after
Thank
after talking,
you.
after ending up. Yes. So we will talk. Yes. Okay. So
Thank you
send
so
me link
much.
of your channel. I think yes. So that quickly I will visit your channel.
Thank you for that. Have a great day. Bye bye.